are going to make it right now. There's the wood. This is how it is right now. There's some tools and stuff, whatever. 3 more wood. This is like, see that? There's the 4th. So it is literally that. Keep going. It's going to be a big skating rink. I accidentally kicked it. That was my slipper again. This is like my dad screwed it in and this thing to put it on top because we're making a skating rink. Drive all around the corner and then keep going and here stops. But there's the before. I think if you don't know what those things were, it's just to connect it. And you know we still have this. Put some waters out, and here's how they turned out. This one broke. It's like glass, but it's not glass. I think. Ow. Oh my god. Helping again. It's maybe a little too big, but it's worth a try. Wow. Ice is just like chilling there. Doop-a-doo. See this? Okay. Here it is right now. Okay guys, last goodbye. It's so cool. I'm just gonna help a little more. I have to move the ice. I'll move it first and then I'll show you guys. A food bowl, like a dog bowl. Take these out and I'll show you the final thing, or I'll just show you some parts. Let me help. Guys, the water's on. Ta-ta! It looks so pretty. Let's help a little. I'm gonna stand here, not by the water. We're gonna move the water somewhere else, not only in one place. Just like that. And if you guys want, you guys can do the same thing too. Oh my god, it's so cool. My dad said not to get wet in my running shoes, but okay, this will be the last part. I'll just freeze let this sit overnight. I'll show you when the final results, when it's all full up. And we'll start a part 1 in the next series when it is going to freeze like the next day or tonight. And it's like this right now, and